Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT 2 Pro, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should go into the settings application here, and after that just click here into the Wi-Fi section. Now just to activate the Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher, and here you'll see all the available networks, and now you can connect your device to one from this network. For example, I'll go with this one. Here you should enter your device your network password. In my case, that's from 1 to 8. Just click here on the eye icon if you want to see the password to have no some mistakes, and after that just click on the right upper corner, and here you can see that our device successfully connected to this network. After that, if you want, you can just select the another one, and you'll have two Wi-Fi's passwords, so you'll have to save passwords, and you can use this one or another one if you want, so you can switch between them. And if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here on the Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. And also we got the second way. So first you should open the notification panel, and here you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Just click here once on this icon and to activate it, and then hold for a while this icon to launch the Wi-Fi settings to select one from these available networks. And after that, just if you want to turn off, click here once again on this Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.